Okay students, now see in this question, this is your exercise 6.1. Okay, your exercise 6.1. Alright, and question number 4. Now see in this question, it is clearly given in figure 6.17. So this is your figure 6.17 now. Okay, this is your figure 6.17. POQ is a line. You can see this POQ is a line. Ray OR, so you can see clearly ray OR is perpendicular. How do you know it is perpendicular? Because this 90-degree sign is there. Okay, to line PQ, line PQ here. Okay, OS is another ray. You can see this OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. OP and OR. We have to prove that angle ROS. So where is angle ROS? Angle ROS, okay, is equal to half of angle QOS. QOS, okay, minus angle EOS. Angle EOS. Okay, students, one more thing I already told, I'm repeating again. Suppose if I say, I draw this figure. Okay, suppose if I say BDE. If I say angle BDE is 40 degree, this means you have to see for the center one. So this angle is 40 degree over here. Okay, I've already explained this, but you should keep this in mind. I'm repeating again. Okay, angle BDE, if I write angle BDE is 40 degree, so you have to check for the center one. Okay, so BDE. Okay, now come to the original question. Now if you see the figure carefully, this angle ROQ is 90 degree. I'm writing from here, angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because it is given to us. Okay, this is given to us that angle ROQ is 90. Now I told linear pair. Okay, this means this whole angle will also be 90 degree. Okay, this whole means what? Angle R, okay, OS plus angle EOS is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this angle R, you can say this angle ROS, okay, this plus angle EOS will be 90 degree. Why? Because this is a linear pair. Okay, this whole is a linear pair. Okay, and this whole is a linear pair. Okay, this means the total angle of sum of this angle will be 180 degree. Okay, so if this is 90 degree, so how much will be this angle? So this will be 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree, right? Followed. So I'm just rubbing this, student, so that figure will be clear one minute. I'll just rub this, so figure will be clear to us. Okay, so this means if this is perpendicular, which is given to us, okay, this is 90 degree given to us, so this means this angle ROS plus angle EOS will be 90 degree. Okay, this means angle ROS plus angle EOS, ROS plus angle EOS is equal to angle what? EOR. Okay, angle EOR. This means angle EOR is equal to angle QOR or ROQ. Okay, is equal to angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Why? Angle EOR, this, okay, and this angle QOR. Okay, so you can write this angle QOR or ROQ. Okay, does not make any difference. It is 90 degree. Alright. So okay, if you are getting confused, I'll still write angle QOR. Angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. Followed. Let me rub this. Okay, now we have got this equation 1. Okay, keep this in mind. Equation angle EOR. Angle EOR is equal to angle QOR. Okay, why? Because this is 90 degree. Alright, now if you see the question carefully, we have to check. We can see that we have to show that angle ROS, angle angle ROS is equal to angle QOS and POS. This means ROS is represented in terms of angle QOS and angle POS. Now see where is angle QOS. QOS is this angle, right? This is angle QOS. This means angle QOS is equal to what? Angle QOS is equal to angle, I can write angle ROQ plus angle ROS. Okay, this is equation 2. Okay, so angle QOS is equal to angle ROQ plus angle ROS. So I can write this as equation 2. Okay, so you can see QOS, okay, angle QOS is equal to angle ROQ plus angle ROS. Now, let me change the markering so it will be easy for you. Let me take it as purple. Okay, now if you see, now another angle is given to us, angle POS. Okay, angle POS. So now see which is angle POS. This is angle POS. Okay, I can write now, see angle POR. Okay, angle POR. I'm taking this angle. Angle POR is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Are you following, students? This equation 2 and 3, if you have followed, you will not make mistake in the question. Okay, so I am repeating again. This is 90 degree angle ROQ. This is given to us. Angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. This is given to us. Then angle POR will be equal angle POR. Okay, then say angle POR is equal to angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this equation 1 is clear. Now see equation number 2, angle QOS. Why we are taking angle QOS and POS? Because it is given to us that we have to show angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So that is why we are taking angle QOS. Now see angle QOS will be combination of angle ROQ plus angle ROS. We are adding this. Now see angle POR. Angle POR, okay, is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Okay, see we are getting angle POS here. So that is why we are taking this. Now if I add 2 and 3, okay, adding, okay, I'm writing adding 2 and 3. Okay, adding equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, adding equation 2 and 3. Add. So what will I get? Angle QOS plus angle POR on the left side, students, is equal to, now on the right side, angle ROQ plus angle POS. So right, angle ROQ plus angle POS, right, plus angle ROS plus angle ROS. So angle X plus angle X is equal to what? Twice of angle X, right? So that is why I am writing it twice of angle ROS, right? Now see this equation, we have already shown that angle POR is equal to angle QOR. So this angle, okay, I'll change the ink so it will be easy for you to see that. Now see angle P, we are taking angle POR is equal to angle QOR. So where is angle POR? Here, angle POR is equal to angle QOR. Now see where is angle QOR? This. Alright. QOR is equal to angle ROQ. The same thing, okay, not this angle. Okay. So angle QOR will be equal to angle ROQ only. Okay? This angle QOR. Okay, let me change the mark. This angle ROQ. Okay, is equal to angle QOR only, 90 degree. So this will be 90 and this angle will also be 90. So this angle 90 and this angle 90 is cancelled. Okay, so what will be left now? We are left with angle QOS is equal to angle POS plus twice of angle ROS. Okay, so I'm rewriting this equation. I'll rub this on my students. Okay, this is given to us on this. I'm writing on the top now. This is already given to us. can see clearly from the figure. Okay, so I can rewrite this equation as twice of angle ROS, okay, plus angle EOS is equal to angle QOS. Are you following? This I have taken on the right side. Okay, let me change it. This, okay, angle POS plus angle twice of ROS. This whole I took on the right side, okay, and this I have taken left. So I have interchanged, nothing else. So twice of angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to angle QOS. Now see from here, now twice of angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Are you following? This plus, when I take to the right side, it will be negative. So twice of angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, now I can write angle ROS is equal to 1 upon 2. This 2, okay, this 2 I am taking on the right side. So it will be divisions is equal to half of angle QOS minus half of angle POS. So, okay, this whole, half of this whole angle, because 2 is here in multiplication, so here in division. So angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So that is what we have to do. Are you following, students? Okay, so this equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 are important. Okay, if you follow these equations, then we are just rearranging these equations. Alright, and see here angle, it is given to us 90 degree, okay, angle ROQ, okay, it is perpendicular. So angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree, means an angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. If any student is taking any of this, it is correct. You can take this angle ROQ as 90 degree, that is not correct, or you can take angle QOR, that is also correct. Okay, so let me have this, it is same, okay, it does not make any difference. Okay, so you have to just be careful of this equation. So 1 minute, I'll just scroll the slide up. Okay, are you following, students, how to solve this? So I'm just repeating this equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, see, it is given to us. Okay, we have to show that. Okay, we have to show that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS and angle POS. Okay, so that is why we are taking these angles, angle QOS and angle POS. Now see, angle QOS is a combination of angle ROQ plus angle ROS. Addition of this, I have written angle ROQ plus angle ROS. Okay, and angle POR. So angle POR is what? Addition of angle POS plus angle ROS. So written here. Now adding 2 and 3. So add left hand side angle QOS plus angle POR. So angle QOS plus angle POR. And on the right side angle ROQ plus angle POS. Angle ROQ plus angle POS plus twice of angle ROS. Okay. Now we already know that angle POR is equal to angle QOR. Alright. Angle POR is equal to angle QOR. Okay, same. Or if you're getting confused, you can write this angle ROQ, it is same. Okay, see here, it is same. Okay, so angle POR is equal to angle ROQ, okay, which is equal to 90 degree. So plus 90 and minus 90 cancel, or this angle and this angle will be cancelled. Okay, are you following? This will be cancelled. So that is why now what are we left with? What are we left with? We are left with angle QOS. Okay, we are left with angle QOS, okay, is equal to angle POS. Okay, this is angle POS. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just see this. This is angle POS. Okay, angle QOS is equal to angle POS plus angle twice of angle ROS. This angle, okay, ROS plus angle ROS. Once we get this equation, then I am rewriting this equation twice of angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to angle QOS. Okay, so this way we will get this equation, and then this 2 in multiplication, that side it will be in division. So this way you have to complete, students. All the best and study well. Any problem, you can always get back to me.